we discussed about HR tag, P tag, BR tag, and PRE tag and their attributes. In this class, we discuss about image tag and MARQUEE tag. Image tag. This tag is used to display the images on the HTML documents. Means in the website we are using images or images, logos and all. How we have to keep that images on the place? You can see we can place that images on the place by using image tag. Okay. Now what are the attributes of image tag? The first attribute is SRC. This attribute specifies the URL of the image, means some of the images in our laptop. By what is the location of the image, means what is the address of the image, which is known as URL. Okay, some of the images are in the Google images. If we want that images, we want to keep that URL by we want to see that images in our website. For that also we can keep it by using SRC attribute. And next attribute is border. This border specifies the thickness of the border around the image, means we are providing only image. For that image we want a border, means by using border image we will specify thickness, how much thickness we should want to keep the border for the image. We can use by using border attribute. And the next attribute is width. This attribute specifies the width of the image to be displayed in the HTML document. If the image size is 1024 pixels, I don't want 1024 pixels, I want only 100 pixels or 200 pixels. By using width, we can reduce the size of the image. Okay. And the next attribute is height. If the image size is 720 pixels, I don't want 720 pixels, I want only 300 pixels of the height. We can reduce the reduce the height of the image by using height attribute. Next attribute is alternate. This attribute specifies a text to be displayed on the HTML document if the image is not loaded. Means when we are opening website, the image is not loaded, means if the due to the internet connection is very slow, we are not able to see the images. In that images, what is the image there we have to be placed. For that one we should have to be using alternate. If they just I will show in the HTML now itself only why you are using alternate. Anything we can see there. Next attribute is H space. This attribute specifies the amount of space empty to be displayed on left and right side of the images. Means H space is nothing but horizontal space. Means the image space, the image right side and left side of the space, how much it has to be given. Means I want some of space between the from border to the image, means we can use by using H space. And one thing is V space. V space is nothing but vertical space. This this attribute specifies the amount of empty space to be displayed top and bottom of the image. Means from the URL to the URL address bar to the from the website to the image, how much space I want. From down means bottom of the page to the how much I want space. You can see by using this. Now I am showing an example for that one. You can see this one. I take one HTML head tag. In this one I am taking title tag, image tag. I am closing. head section. Now I'm opening body tag img. I'm taken image tag and I want source of the image. For this one, in that this one I want, I taken the URL html slash 1.jpg 1.jpg then semicolon space. I want border for that image equals to, I given 3 thickness. Okay, next border was finished. Next I'm going for width. Width equals to, I given 200% and height equals to alternate. I'm using alternate attributes. Alternate is I'm just giving BMW. Okay, and horizontal space equals to 75. My given horizontal space equals to 75 and v space equals to 30. This is empty tag, so I'm closing the image tag here itself only. And now I'm closing the body tag along with the HTML document. Okay, I'm saving this one as img.html. Now in the document I'm opening img.html. Now I'm seeing the image which I was given. This is the 50 horizontal space and v space. Okay, and the border of the thickness. See, now the I'm changing, giving width is 200. Okay, I'm providing 500 and the height is I'm providing 700. Okay, now I am refreshing the front. See, like that we can vary the images and all. Okay, now I'm showing the alternate also. Now I just deleted the image. Okay, now I'm refreshing the front. See, in alternate I specified BMW, so it's here showing in the image BMW. That is the alternate attribute we are using. Now I'm we are discussing about one more tag known as MARQUEE tag. MARQUEE tag. MARQUEE tag. MARQUEE tag is used to scroll the text on the web page. Okay, means if I want to move from left to right, the text has to move continuously. For that one, we are using MARQUEE tag. Now we are discussing about what are the attributes of MARQUEE tag. Attributes. First attribute is behavior. Means this attribute specifies the behavior of the scrolling text in a web page. Means I want to I want the text from left to left to right, and I want to scroll like just like slide scroll like that. We will see in the behavior. Okay, in the next attribute is direction. This attribute specifies the direction in which the text will be scrolled, means towards left side or from the right side, like that. And the next attribute is background color, BG color. These attributes will display the background color of the scrolling text. If I want for the text, I want the background should be in red color, means the text or background of the color is red, it will come like that. The next attribute is scroll amount. This attribute specifies the speed of the scrolling text. If I want the scrolling amount should be in 20 to 30, it will just move like a snail, just slowly. If the scrolling amount should be 45, it moves somewhat fast for that. Now I'm taking one example for this one. I will just show these all attributes in the text in the HTML document. HTML head and the title, marquee tag. Okay, and now I'm taking the closing the head section. I'm opening body section. Now in this one I'm writing marquee tag, and with the attributes behavior equals to scroll. I given scroll, and the direction equals to, I want the direction from right side. Okay, I given the direction equals right, and background color equals to, I given yellow. Okay, background and scroll amount equals to, I given 45. Okay, now I'm closing the marquee tag, and whatever we return between the opening tag of the marquee tag and ending of the marquee tag, that has to be scroll. What are the properties we are now given, it will be applicable for the whole text. Now I'm writing flash news. I close the marquee tag, and I'm closing the body tag also, and closing HTML tag also. And I'm saving marquee.html. I save. Now I'm opening marquee.html. See, flash news. It's scroll with the speed of 45. Now I'm changing 45 to 15. I save, and I'm refreshing that page. Flash news, flash news, flash news, flash news. It's going like that only. Okay. Now I will check it with, if I don't want with the scroll, I want with the slide. I given a slide. Now I'm checking same scroll, slide, alternative. The default behavior scroll, it will come under scrolling market. Nowadays, it's a market tag is no, nobody is using, because in the scroll it continuously scroll, but in the slide it will come start from the left and end with the right. There itself only stops. It not continuously slow. If we want to see the alternate also, we can see in the behavior alternate, and refresh button, flash news. It's going there on the tag, and see what happens. It comes back. from in the scroll it will go continuous scroll. In the slide it will go from left to right itself only, then afterwards not come back. In alternate it will go left to right, right to left, like that it will call. Okay, now here I get a mistake. Now I'm refreshing that one again. Flash means the complete background for the flash means is yellow and it's moving and going.